Hello everyone, this is me again, Mark, and happy Holy Week to everyone. And Cebu City is really quiet city right now because most of the people are coming home to their provinces. And right now I am here at the SRP, the South Road Properties, at the back of the SMC side. That's the SMC side. And this is the vacant lot here in SRP, and I am driving. I have some appointments to do today, so most of the people are having their own vacation right now, but in my case I do the works because this is the best time for me to do the works because there is no traffic and no many things going around the city. And that's the SMC and that's the SMC.
Turn right onto F. Vestal Street, then turn right onto Church Avenue.
Google Maps is my only noise right now. And I'm going to get first my friend, and after that we will be going to the Cebu Business Park and Cebu IT Park. I have appointment there, but I'm going to get him first because he's not going to bring his car because he's always telling me that the prices of the gasoline right now is really soaring high. And it's really true because, you know, before the full tank of my car is just only around 2,500, but now it reaches 5,000. But it's fine. Yeah, we are now taking the SRP, and this is the situation now here in Cebu. And I will take
in 300 meters, turn right onto Natalio B. Bacalso Avenue.
This part. So stay tuned. I will pick up first my friend because he's not going to bring his car, and he just want to ride in me so that he can save. So I finally pick up my friend, and we are now going to the Cebu Business Park. Yeah, he doesn't want to put on the video. We are now here in the Woodcrest in Guadalupe. Woodcrest, ala, nakita ka sa video. Joke lang, wala. Holy Week ron, so perting mingawas dalan. I will take video the situation sa Cebu Business Park, Cebu IT Park. Kay Holy Week man ron. Thank you, Chip.
Kinsa na ko pangalan to?
Lot 6. Oh, bila. Let's go. Sigaw mo sa hangin, tumilik at magsilbi. Liwanag sa dilim. I will buy something here sa Robinsons, and this is the Casamira in Guadalupe. I will buy something sa grocery sa Robinsons. Yeah. I took video. I lang sa bakit di lang pakaganaan. So we are now in Banawa, in Paseo Banawa. So he will just drop off here, and then I will continue my journey going to the Lander Cebu Business Park. And dire ra kataman or unsa dito? Huwat hindi ka mag-withdraw? Okay na. Dire ra ka? Yeah, ako na lang diabalhin. Thank you. So I'm going to transfer. I'm going to drive na. At least for a while. Na ako'y driver. Bye-bye, Ampeng! So, I'm going na sa Landers. I'm going sa Landers. Where's my tablet? So my friend just treat me to lunch, and He's just decided to drop by here sa Paseo. He has something to do here, and he did not bring his car. And I'm going now to the Cebu Business Park. At least sa makadiyot ba. I have amigo nga he drive, and I took a little rest sa pag-drive. And I will go home later tonight. Today is Holy Week and very peaceful ang city. Wala dagang samok ron sa dalan. Not traffic. And I am now in Banawa and Paseo. I'm going to the Landers. The Banawa, Virama, Guadalupe intersections. That's going to downtown. That's going to Capitol. This is going to Guadalupe. And the road I am taking in right now is going to the Banawa. And it's very peaceful because it's holiday today. Wala joy ka traffic ron.
In 400 meters, turn left onto North Escario Street.
Wala joy ka traffic. That's the Cebu Provincial Capital. Wala joy ka traffic ron. This is going to Puente Osmeña, that road, and this one is the Cebu Provincial Capital, and that's going to Puente Osmeña. And this is the Escario Street, and that's the capital, Cebu Provincial Capital. And it's really nice to drive right now because wala joy traffic ang dalan. Okay, it's holiday. People are going home sa ilang mga provinces. So ako ani work work. This is the Capitol Street, the Escario Central, at Jollibee in Capitol in Escario. And we are going to the Cebu Business Park. Golden Peak, Cebu, Gordo Avenue, and this is going to University of Cebu, Philippines, Gordo Avenue, and this is going to Cebu Business Park, Parkland Hotel, Mandarin Hotel, Quest Hotel, and the Avagar, Mandarin and Quest Hotel.
In 200 meters, slight left onto Archbishop Reyes Avenue.
Park Lane. This is the Mabolo. That is where my boss, it is owned by my boss, and that's the Lincoln by Rockwell. Pre-selling subdivision, pre-selling condo Brockwell. That's the third project of Brockwell here in Cebu. First is the 32 Sanson, second is the Aruga in Mactan, and the third Rockwell and Cebu. And this is the Mabolo Road. And I'm going to the Landers Supermarket. Seminario.
Turn right, then turn left.
And going to Landers. Ay, ala, sayop page. Sayop ko. I made a wrong turn. I made a wrong turn. That's the Landers actually. But I'm not going to the...
In 100 meters, turn right onto Cardinal Rosales Avenue. Turn right onto Cardinal Rosales Avenue, then turn right.
I know. I'm not going to the back of the Landers. Instead, I'm going to the front. That's the Tough East Gate. And that's the Crown Hotel, Tough East Gate. And that's going to the Cebu Business
Turn right,
Park.
then your destination will be on the left.
Ano, wala ba rin ako gipalo ang ano, Google. Tough East Gate condo. Landers. And this is the Cebu Business Park. I just pick up the groceries in Landers. And it's very peaceful right now. Very peaceful. Fishful lake. Like a traffic. And it's really nice.
In 300 meters, turn left onto Leyte Loop.
Pag mo lagunin akong ano, bi kasamok bagod ano eh. Google Map. Ay nako. Iduka naman ko eh. Cebu Business Park.
Turn left onto Leyte Loop.
Lots of orange peel. I want to eat ano, mango shake. Ngita ko mango shake din. Naglaway mo ko mango shake ron eh.
In 200 meters, turn left onto Mactan Street.
Labara sa akong ulo eh. Zero eh. Walay traffic ang Siburon.
Turn left onto Mactan Street.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La. Do 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 di 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 do. La 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 la. That's going to the SM Seaside.
Turn right onto G. Gaisano Street. Turn right onto G. Gaisano Street.
So that's the, I don't know what happened with that condominium mo. Pero naman na dugaya until na wala gyapon na turnover na unsa man eh. Kana ba ang ilo nga condominium ba? That's developed
Turn right
by
onto B. Benedicto Street, then turn left onto 13th Avenue.
Developed by the Cebu Land Traders. Wala ko kay ba what happened with that condominium. And this is the Robinson Summit Galleria. Benedicto.
Turn left onto 13th Avenue.
I think it's the go signal that I need to go home na.
In 200 meters, turn right onto Sergio Osmeña Jr. Boulevard.
Robinson's Galleria ano, residential condo. And we are heading going to the Kajot Langgod. Ako sa guning pag
Turn right onto Sergio Osmeña Jr. Boulevard.
pag mo sa gunin akong ano ba kay murag sa mo kay. This is the Robinson's Galleria and we are heading now going home kay I am stressed. That's going to the SMC side, Radisson Blue, and this is going to nindutay gyud sa ano, nindutay gyud sa kanang that's the pier. Nindot gyud kayo ang padalan pa kay wala joy traffic ay. Mula ginano nga kanang nang sa tawag magbantay gid sa ano ba. Samot na ni ano muagi tag tunnel. Ipatan-on ta mo sa tunnel. Kita tag tunnel. Kanang city ay University of the Cebu Technological University kana. Then kaniyang tunnel diri sa Cebu. Patay akong cellphone oy giahak. Wala ko naka-video sa tunnel. Namatay ako cellphone. Ang kana mao na Cebu Cordoba Bridge kana. Cebu Cordoba Bridge muna siya, connecting na siya sa SRP and Cordova, and we are heading towards the South Road properties. Gamay kayo sa tanaw sa layo na pero nigduol kay pertin ako adili massive. Epiphany. Makita diri ang New Star, ang SMC side, New Star. Wala jud ka traffic. Perti jung ngawanas dalan. Holy Week. Kana ang SM Arena. Hapit na naman ang wahuman. They are claiming to open its doors by June this month, this year. Pero I don't know kaya baka ano murag skeleton pa man lagi na. Ay, South Coast City. Ang SM Arena kana ambot lang kay mao man ang gi-claim nila. They are going to do their first show. Rumors nga Bruno Mars will be the first artist to SMC side Cebu. Ano siya? Perting Mingawa kay holiday. Pero kung dili holiday, ambot lang kay perting sa trapika. The perfect sky is torn. I'm a little late, and this is how I feel. Na 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 na. New Star El Curso.